Welcome to Stocky Pro. In the next 2.5 minutes, you'll see how our built-in role-based access control lets you decide exactly who can view, edit, or export data. Only admin accounts see the Roles and Permissions tab. From here, you tailor access, right down to individual sections. When you invite someone, the app stays locked until an admin assigns their permissions. That's your first layer of safeguard. Let's grant our new agent full manager rights. Check every module, hit the arrow, and the roles are automatically moved from available to chosen. Now when the agent logs in with the password, and notice some advanced tools are still hidden. Now we'll yank Helpdesk roles off this agent account. Watch what disappears. On refreshing the agent's page, the Helpdesk tab and even its URL vanish for the user. Suppose the same agent just needs read-only access. We swap them from manager to viewer. Instantly, controls shrink to pure viewing. No edit, no export. Every section has its own toggle, so you can fine-tune trust, one click at a time. And that's role-based access control in Stocky Pro. Simple, secure, and fully in your hands. Ready to tailor your team's workspace? Dive in now.